Hey, what's up everybody? Today we're going to talk about these new earbuds. These are the Air6 HS and these are from SoundPeats. So let's go ahead and unbox these, take a look, and see if they're right for you. These were sent over to me from SoundPeats to check out. I've been seeing some reviews on these and they look to be really good for everyday earbuds. These are kind of the AirPod style where they just kind of sit in your ear. They don't push all the way in. So if you have issues with those type of in-ear buds, these might be what you're looking for. So let's go ahead and take a look at the specs here on the back. I do have the black version here. And let's go ahead and see what we have here. So these are, like I said, these are the model Air6 HS. And these have 15, I believe those are 15 millimeter drivers. You've got 45 hours of playtime. And you do have dual mic for clear calls. And these are for somebody who just wants some everyday pair of earbuds to use on a daily basis. These are not for audiophiles. These are not to be compared to AirPods, Pixel Buds, or any of the Galaxy Buds Pros, any of the Sony MX series, any of those. So these are specifically a affordable option for those who just want an everyday pair of earbuds. So let's go ahead and open these up and we'll just go ahead, get a little incision here, take that plastic right off. All right, so let's go ahead and take these out. Inside here, we've got some paperwork. Let's go ahead and take a look at what we've got. Paperwork-wise, probably just some instructions. Let's go ahead and take a look. Yep, so we've got some information from SoundPeats, quick guide. Looks like we got some, looks like these may be some stickers. So some cool stickers if you're into stickers. And we've just got our user guide that you can feel free to go through. It just tells you how to pair them. I never read this stuff, but it is in the box. Let's go ahead and take a look at the buds. Let's see if there's anything else in here. And we do have some stuff in here, it's kind of hidden. And on this side, we've got our charging cable. And so this is a USB-C to USB-A charging cable. So glad to see the USB-C here. And let's see what else we have. Anything else? And looks like that is it for that. So let's go ahead and throw that off to the side. And let's take a look at these buds. So these are the black ones, like I said, that they sent over. Let's go ahead and just get those out of there. And nice case. We have some branding here on the back, SoundPeats. And let's go ahead and open these guys up. And those look pretty nice. You can see there is a charging light there. And we do have a nice compact case. You can see that that fits right in the palm of my hand. So those will fit right into your pocket, right into your backpack, your bag. And let's go ahead and pull these out. And we do have some wrapping on here. We'll go ahead and pull these off. And let's just take a look at the buds themselves. So these are the buds. Let me go ahead and put the other one here in my hand. And these look really nice. You know, for the price, they look really nice. They do remind me of the AirPods. As you can see, they are kind of that AirPod style, and they'll just sit in the ear. We do have some plastic on here. Let's go ahead and just take that off. And let's go ahead. Do the same with this one here. And so you do have some protective plastic on there for the shipping and more stuff just to peel off when you unbox your product. That one's really on there. See, there we go. All right, so we got those off of there. And so those are the buds. I'll be testing these out and give you a full review, but just wanted to get these out there, let you know that you can pick these up. I'll put a link down below. I think these things are like under 40 bucks. So really affordable. Let's go ahead and just pop them in real quick and see how they fit. Oh yeah, and they fit real nice. They just sit right in the ear. I'll give you some B-roll of what they look like. But these are those SoundPeats, and these are the Air6 HS. So if you're interested in these, make sure to subscribe. I will have a follow-up video with my full review. As always, I appreciate you watching, and we'll catch you in our next video.